almost reached the seaside. Right. Spear mosquito down here, guys. Spear mosquito. So yeah, man, we're gonna catch some fish today and do some steam fish. Steam fish with crackers and okra. Yeah. So we all are here.
Hello. Morning.
Say hi, Gabby. Bella.
Hello. Hi, guys.
Yeah, so guys, please remember to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to go over to the Smith's World and check out our videos. Alright, so stay tuned. Guys, I hope we catch some fish today. So there is Ricky over there with a friend of mine, or ours. Yeah. What are you guys doing?
I'm practicing how to use the rod.
You practice?
Yeah, it's okay. That was no, man.
So we are going to dead for hungry today, no? Because you're not catch no fish.
No, but I used to rod. I'm going to send it out.
Woo!
No, man, you will get it.
And far out, guys.
Yeah, fast out.
I hope we catch fish today, and if we don't catch none, we're going hungry. Just giving you the view, guys. The sunset. And that, guys. So beautiful. Yeah, me leave my glasses too.
Yeah, because I may never know, sir. Yes, so I never
Hmm? Yeah, the sun.
I don't know what I'm going to do.
Fish must in that stuff. Guys, me leave my glasses. I don't know. I'm going to manage without it today. Hmm?
Crackers.
Yeah.
No fish.
Oh, no, you mean steam crackers with bami alone?
Steam crackers. You carry bummy?
No, not bami, sorry, okra. My bad. Yeah, so okra, and crackers.
Steam crackers alone, Daddy. Steam crackers alone.
Well,
We don't catch no fish.
At this rate.
Right.
I feel it. I'm going to use feet today, guys.
All right. Let's see.
Right? Feet. Hey, Birdie.
Hello.
First time see Daddy catching fish, right?
But you don't catch no
Big one.
fish yet?
Look at this big one. Watch that. You like that? Good. Alright. You guys never see Daddy catching fish. Oh, but it's a bit more. Let me know it's a bit more.
Alright guys, so what I'm doing, I'm cutting up the bait. And this is some shrimp. Cut them to go on the fish hook. Right, so we're stripping the shrimp, guys. So it can go on the fish hook. I hope me not cut them too fine, you know. Mm-hmm. sleep. It off these. Come here, come behind this.
Brittany, hold that man. Don't let it go in.
This?
No, the blue,
That's
the
a go.
oh. This thing. Don't let it go. Alright? Good pass. Cut them up with the fire. You realize, you know? Them up cross the gate. Come on, I got some little fish. I know them never carry it back.
Carry what?
Franks and tripe. Cross the gate now. Look at it. First catch. A 3 pounder. He swallowed the hook, you know? Look at this, guys.
Yeah, try a thing. Yeah. Feel like sit down all and funny.
I don't know. I'm going to tell you the way feeling is like. I really know.
Okay.
Alright guys, came and fish for the first time. Look how she catch up. You know how to pull it with the
Dry out? Can I pick it up, pick it up?
You feel him happy?
Yeah, the feeling is stiff.
I know stiff. You feel like you might tug on it. You don't want to tug. You feel him happy.
You might pick it.
Oh, may I try a thing?
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see if you catch any fish.
Oh no, this is.
The sun has one here going on.
This is not going on. Use an umbrella, that's why you carry the umbrella. Carry the umbrella?
Light.
I can feel good. You're not up the line, man. Put your foot on it.
What's the catch for the day?
Yeah. Well, this one.
Oh man. Stiffy? Who is stiff so?
And you just stiff out, you know? Probably actually eat. Yeah. But we need a rod. Yeah, proper.
Just one?
Not two, you know, and one drop off. Two may catch one time or one drop off. Yeah, but the sun ready and over. Alright,
Sun hot. Guys, stay tuned. We'll soon come back.
She's
is just a small catch. Plus, a fisherman gave us 2 additional fish as well. Because I'm sorry if we wouldn't catch any at first. So we're going to steam this down with some bami and crackers. Yeah. So yes, people, we're not going to eat off all of this one time. We're going to bring back some for dinner later. So yeah, these are all what Tricky catch. Yep. Alright, so stay tuned. And he used the fish what line? Yeah, the fish line. Fish line, not the pole or the rod. Yeah. No, then me can't do it. Look how this did set. No, just make mommy do it and done. But I could tell me so this set good. That gone already, girl. Just make mommy set. It gone already, Brittany. So mommy came what you doing now? Just getting this fish down, scale and clean up. Guys, may I tell you, sun hot, man. Sun is very hot. Coffee belly big, so. I have a lime, Bella. Go for it, please. May I have 2 lime in a day? Yes, Isabel. Carry it on. Cool.
So we're gonna have steamed fish with bami and crackers today. So it wasn't a big catch. It wasn't a big catch. Actually, some fishermen here, we got two fishes from them, right? And the rest from my friend Joshi down there and his father. You can check him out down there later on. Check him out. So we are gonna have a lot of video coming out, fishing, and you know, we're adventurous. So we hope for new things, right? I hope you love this video, you know. Yeah, man. Blessed love to you all. So, mosquito the boat as usual. I make some smoke and all of that. So, Kim and Brittany, Isabel, they are scaling the fish with that. And I'll cook up a storm now, guys. So, stick and stay. Much love.
Getting the fish cleaned up, guys.
Come on. Come back. Oh, come back.
Yeah, must be. I'm tired me out. The line? do some Maggie, guys.
Oh my god.
Maggie, all purpose. Maggie, come on, you need to give me a sponsor. What are you waiting on? Beachfront cooking, guys.
Not a beach.
A beach.
A
Seaside.
seaside.
Still a beach.
We not consider it.
Ain't this a beach, guys? What do you think?
This is seaside.
We have the shore, we have the sea.
Then which one are going to ever be the seaside then?
Call it shorefront then.
Come with this brick.
Just kidding.
Park it up, please.
Shore side.
Jersey Shore.
Some black pepper.
The party's here. No.
Some garlic powder. And some fish seasoning. Well seasoned up all the sleeves.
So what kind of fish we have here?
Honestly, I don't know some of the fish name. I only know the grunt. Let me show you the grunt. Where's the grunt? This is a grunt. And some jackfish also. It's a jack here. And I have the doctor fish. My favorite, this doctor.
But someone gave us the doctor fish.
Yeah. And this one, I don't know what this one called. Fish. Alright, so fish them seasoned up already. So what I'm going to do now, put it aside and then cut up the seasoning.
Okay.
Get something to cook.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. So we have okra, Irish potato, pumpkin, carrot, tomato, sweet pepper, thyme. Did I say onion? And what else we have? That's all. Guys, all cut up. All done.
Yeah, so we go half cook this first, then we put in our fish.
And then
Yeah.
okra, bami, and crackers.
Yeah, so the okra down here. And the fish. Alright. Clean up.
Fire time, guys. Fire time. Massive. I this skin free there, you know. Big him. I this a fire free there, you know. The big bang.
The big bag.
Alright, guys, we're out here. Just grateful, you know, and I give thanks for another blessed day, as I'm saying, out the family. Yeah, man, come fishing. So we actually, we're down by a place called
Port Escovel.
Port Escovel, right. You can see it over there, Gabby. Them a view. Just want all the new subscribers know, say, yeah, man. Just stick and stay, man, and be blessed, you know. Yeah, man, we are doing thing, man, and we love all the support and encouragement from you guys, and you know, really appreciate it. The mosquito them out here without fear. They're bad.
And the fly them too.
And they fly them, yo, you notice after hurricane, they fly them just invade them. They come like they're hungry.
This on the menu, guys, some bami. Yeah, we just buy some bami. Right.
Okay.
Alright, guys, so fire ketchup to our pot. I'll let the pot come up.
Yeah,
Come on. So we'll put in some pumpkin flavor soup. And just a small amount of Maggi. Alright. Alright, I'm going to go for a piece of butter. Yeah. This is how I'm doing it today, guys.
Alright, what we can do, we can
Check in, guys. Check in.
can get some
Butter bubble up. Alright. That is it.
fish it now.
Whoa! We have jalapenos. Guys, we almost thought that it was going to land in the water, but apparently not. So it's returning home. That's cool. So
We need one nice chicken. Wow.
we don't put too much water. So we'll put the okra on the bami.
Mommy.
Alright guys, so put in the bami them, let them steam. Alright, taste my pot.
I will kind of crank me today.
The salty.
Guys, Kim
Alright,
love
so-
crank me, you know. She wants to have the food today, but we
Mommy.
don't work with that.
We must steam. Woo! Hot, hot. Yep.
You know, go tell your pot lean, girl.
And you put in the cool them, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we can take out them fish out of the pot.
So now nobody will want to big up.
Thank you,
Alright,
man.
big up Ricardo from Island Adventure and
Now my baba. Not
outdoor
that.
cooking, Tanisha. Blessings and love. good people to us. Big up Rev and who again?
The general.
The general, yeah,
Klaus.
enough love. Carl,
Klaus.
Klaus. Big up
Klaus.
Klaus.
Big up yourself, Claus. You know yourself.
Right,
Yeah, you know yourself.
right.
Big up Lee Rain also.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
These
he
are
always
a lot
on
of persons on the live. And all the persons that, you know, support us on the live. We see you guys. Dre. There's a lot of you guys.
Bless up on
Me
yourself.
hungry, me I taste the bami.
Right. Bombing already at king.
Bami cook already and everything. Remember that.
Big up Isabel, big up Gabriel, big up Brittany, big up Mommy Kim, Dad Deezer. Yeah, we're out here guys and I enjoy this beautiful day. Oh Lord man, look at the setting. And actually we get some sea breeze and
Want to taste the bami?
it's so hot. Thank you.
Yeah, and the written.
So we come out here guys.
Come better, want to taste it?
We need a rod.
Maybe it's food.
What happened? That when I used to rod. I used to fishing with rod. I started fishing from about 5 years old with my father. Yeah, we used to come to fishing like in the morning, early in the morning, before daylight. And by the time I supposed to reach school by 7, and by the time before 7, actually before 7, I reach up, get ready for school, and good to go. And sometimes we catch all a bag of fish, guys. When I mean a bag of fish, I call one 50 pound of fish. Yeah, me and daddy. Them time the fish are picking at the river, man. Trust me, I don't like now. We realize things and time change. You know, you can't catch. You have to go deep for catch crab. You have to go way out at sea for catch good fish or, you know, some part of the rivers. But yeah, we're gonna do a lot of videos like this from now on because this is what I love. Yeah. So give you a little story. From the little, you know, me love race fish, me love catch fish, you know. So before I go to school, I catch fish. Right? Yeah.
Hold it, Bella.
Hold it, Bella. She afraid. Yeah. Alright, Joshi. Yeah man, that's my friend Joshi. Alright. Where was in the story?
Snapper.
Brittany, catch her.
Catch it.
Yeah, that's a pretty one. Go fishing in the morning with my dad, and then now go school. And as me leave school, so me alone go on a fish pond. And every evening, mommy beat me. Every single evening, mommy beat me. And tomorrow, I'm going back a fish pond again. Because the fish pond was close by the house. So yeah man, tomorrow evening I'm more beating again. That's how I love fish, guys. Love fishing. Yeah, and see it?
Hurry up.
Based upon all of that, we just get the inspiration and we bring a fish pond at my home. So I can't get no more beating. Right now we're backyard. So that's it guys. Bless up on yourself. Actually, I'm catch fish and I have a dinner. Wow, nice.
It's a Sunday dinner.
Nice Sunday dinner.
Go home. Eat the whole of fresh.
Sleep.
Lie down. Rest.
Next one.
Fresh by uniform from yesterday. Clean your shoes.
So repair for the pan. Epic. No man, them fly are modify man. Nice.
Yeah, still up here fish. Enough go on this fish. See fish. Alright guys, so yes, we're going back home now. We catch a few fish, not we. Ricky catch a few fish and we get some by a friend.
Right.
Yeah, so we steam the fish them and thing. Yeah, so we're going back home now. Out here hot.
Yeah, and for certain guys, we enjoy it. We enjoy the food, we enjoy the time, and we enjoy the drone, the view. My gosh, man, trust me, this one is epic.
Guys, I hope you like up the video here, you know. Like it up and subscribe to the channel if you have not. Go ahead and subscribe to the Smith World TV.
Yes, man, and be blessed.
Yep.
Alright,
Well,
alright.
How was the fish?
Good.
Hear that, guys?
It better than one.
You don't understand that.
Watch what sea fish.
Yeah.
Okay.
Say hi, Gabby.
Hello.
Yeah.
Brittany.
Where's Brittany? Hey, up on the machine around her back. Say hi, Isabel.
Hi guys.
Alright.
Thank you for liking the videos.
Yeah, good. Alright, guys. So, we're heading home now and we're gonna just relax. Tired, man. I don't know, but every time we come do a video, we're always tired. But it's fun anyways, and you know, we're enjoying ourselves as well. So, that's it.
Yes, that's it, guys. So
Until next
stay
time.
tuned.
Bye. Peace out. Enough love. That is good.